Hey viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are exploring PoGo Skill Location Changer, one of the best GPS spoofing tools for Pokemon Go. Whether you are using iOS and Android, this tool makes it incredibly simple to change your GPS location. If you enjoy location-based game, PoGo Skills is fantastic way to elevate your gaming experience. But it's not just for gamers. This tool is also useful for social media users or anyone who want to modify their locations for privacy and security. Whether you are looking to explore virtual locations, hide your real location, or even fake a live location on the social media, PoGo Skill is a versatile tool to have. You can find the download link in the video description, so let's dive in. So first of all, install the software, and after installation, launch it. Here is the software interface. Click on the Get Started button and connect your iPhone or Android device to your PC using the USB cable. Ensure your device is unlocked and probably connected. Click Next and wait while the software install the necessary drivers. If you are using iOS, and you will see a user-friendly interface once the setup is complete. Here you can see we have different options: Search and Spoof. Use the search bar to enter any location and instantly teleport there. Next we have the single spot mode. Travel between 2 points and set up a custom speed for walking, cycling or a driving. The multiple spot movement simulate a road trip by selecting multiple locations with adjustable speed. You can select the bike speed, car speed and select the multiple locations. Next we have the joystick mode. Gain real-time control over your movement with an on-screen joystick. Jump teleport mode. Instantly relocate to any destination with just a click. For example, if I want to change my current location, I simply type the search bar and hit enter. And click start. My location update instantly on both my device and PC. If I choose single spot mode, I can set a start and end point, customize my speed and let the tool simulate travel between them. Multiple spot movement lets me plan a journey across multiple locations, perfect for games or testing apps that rely on GPS based movement. For more control, joystick mode allows me to multiply navigate with different speed settings whether I am walking, cycling or driving. And if I need instantly jump to a new location, jump teleport mode let me do that in one click. If I ever want to return to my real location, I just hit the reset button and everything goes back to the normal. So that's so simple. PoGo Skill is a powerful and easy to use GPS spoofing tool that enhance Pokemon Go and the other location based app while also helping to protect your privacy. Check out the download link in the description below. And that's it for today's video. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.